markets, eh? The seagulls. But I like how they just throw their rubbish in the middle there. Yeah, there's piles of rubbish everywhere, you can't see it. There's a big pile of rubbish over here. Fruit. Yeah, they're those Atlantic or Mediterranean. They're a bit different from the one in the Atlantic. I mean Mediterranean.
I just don't want to get shit on.
Look at this thing. That's like a heavy rigid, but it's a beam.
I'm not worried about the birds. I think that's the most amount of freaking...
Well, if you're going to do that beside the water, oh look, they just throw all the food out. They're not, and then people come in and just pick it up. Oh yeah, quick, go in there. They threw all this out.
You can make jam with it. You can freaking do everything with it.
Yeah.
Leftover fruit. There's nothing wrong with it. They just need to get rid of it. Oh, what?
It's like, who's going to clean this shit up?
I don't know, they just throw it all out and move
Yeah, it's
on.
like you just throw it, no bins, not a single bin. You just buy all this food, eat it, and just throw it on the ground. That's what you expect to see in Vanuatu.
Pretty much.
Yeah. But someone will come through tonight, today, and clean it, because the place is always clean.
It'll be turned into another car park like it was before.
Yeah.
Everyone's trying to take these pictures of the seagulls.
They're big. Go up beside that one. You don't scare it away. Yeah. I think the ones in Rome were bigger, but like, go away. Go away. We got smaller ones. There's about 3 different breeds of them. Don't know what that is. There's the old Soviet sub.
Eating all the rubbish now.
There's
a U-boat. We went over that yesterday. We're going to go to the...
It's a busy port. There's always something going up and down that river.
We're going to go through the... I think it's called the Ebby Tunnel or Ebb Tunnel. It's a tunnel that goes from this side of the river all the way over to the other side underground.
Is that way or that way?
We saw it on the way back to our hotel yesterday.
Yeah, where the radar spins.
Yeah.
That's down there, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So
I didn't realise how far we walked through the markets.
There is a flag tower somewhere that way, so that's where we're heading today. Might try a lime scooter out, eh?